Okay, Matta, let's continue talking about natural disasters. And now let's discuss what we should do and what shouldn't we do when there is a natural disaster, okay?
Yes.
Let's start with things that we should never do. We
shouldn't use the
light switches when?
when flood.
When there is.
When there is flood
Or
tsunami.
okay.
We shouldn't use the elevator
When
typhoon.
when there is
When there is a typhoon.
a typhoon or
and
earthquake.
earthquake.
Okay.
We shouldn't build house in landslide areas.
We shouldn't build houses in landslide areas.
We shouldn't build houses in landslide areas.
Areas, okay.
We shouldn't go to the beach
When
there's a tsunami
or
typhoon.
okay, or typhoon, okay.
Go to the forest.
We shouldn't
We shouldn't go to the forest
when there is
wildfire and tornado.
or tornado, okay.
We shouldn't drive motorbike and car
When
flood.
when there is a flood,
When there is a flood
okay, or
earthquake.
an earthquake, maybe. So that are some things that we shouldn't do. What should we do instead?
We should use stay in the safe shelter
Stay in a safe shelter
where
rubber.
glove and boots.
Okay.
We should then check the news for update.
We should check news for updates. Okay.
We should take away from wall window.
Stay away
Stay away
from
from wall, window and
furniture.
furniture.
Okay.
We should make plan.
Make a plan. Okay.
We should hide in the table.
Mm-hmm.
We should move to
Higher ground.
higher ground.
Okay. Good. So, in Vietnam, we have some disasters like floods. They're very regular, right? So, many people after the flood want to help those who suffered from that disaster. So, how can we help, or what should we do? We can
join social group like Red Cross.
mm-hmm,
We can volunteer
to help
people, poor people.
to help poor people. Okay.
We can transfer
Monkey. We can transfer money. Okay.
we can plant trees.
Okay.
We can donate clothes,
Used clothes.
drink and food.
Okay, so what do you do when in Vietnam people suffered from natural disasters like floods? What do you do? I
donate clothes and transfer money.
mm-hmm. Okay, sometimes. Thank you. Good job.